Hello everyone, this is 8bitDav back again with another video for you guys. This week we're going to be looking at Grav CMS, some of its features and some of the functionality such as adding new pages and editing content within the platform. So Grav CMS, CMS standing for Content Management System, is a program or a platform where you can create websites using very user-friendly front-end interfaces. Some of Grav's features include its flat file architecture, which is something that distinguishes it from similar programs such as WordPress or Wix, which are two very well-known programs in this space. So flat file architecture means that the data is very simplified. The definition included here, a flat file database is a database that stores data in a plain text file. I think this more relates to how all the data is stored in a single directory, but one thing to note is it's incredibly efficient when there's not too much data. When the site itself or what you're building is not very complex, it doesn't have a lot of data behind it, a flat file system will be more than enough in regards to efficiency for your needs. And that's one of the things that will distinguish it from something like a WordPress or a Wix. Is kind of the simplicity of the offerings of the tool. Whereas in a WordPress or a Wix, you might need to have a higher level of mastery to fully comprehend the tool. So going over to the Grav CMS admin page, we're going to go ahead and add another page within the site. So I have a couple pages built out here. I'm just going to go up to the top right and click Add. For this page title, I'm going to say, talk about why site builders might like to use Grav CMS. I'm going to hit continue. And here's our new page with our title and our content block. So I have a little content block worked up over here. I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste this into my text area. And you can see this is the new content area for what's going to be displayed on the page. So as I go down, I can add things like header levels. Say if I wanted an H2 tag around, actually, let's make that an H4 tag around this content and say site builders, and then go ahead and hit save. So what's that reflected like in our website? Here I have just a simple theme that can be downloaded through some of the other pages you can utilize within Grav. This one is a free offering from Grav CMS. So we see this page that we had just built here known as Site Builders. If I click it, we go down and we see that we created this page with this content that is currently open to view on the internet. So that's really how simple and easy it can be to add pages to things like Grav CMS, and why this tool might be a great offering for you or your groups as you're looking for a tool that can be very helpful on a front end interface perspective to be able to add some of this content, create sites and things like that. Looking at some of its other offerings, we see things like skeleton packages, themes, plugins. While it might not have as extensible of offerings as something like a WordPress might, the flat file architecture really makes it so that you don't need a whole lot of mastery to either learn the tool or create new pages within the website itself. As you can see, I was able to create a new page within that site within maybe a half a minute to a minute, which can really shed some light on why this might be a tool you might want to utilize within your group. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good one.